I did commit to having back channels, but it's not worth speaking about. It's just more to send messages to each other. Several months ago, I had the opportunity to meet with President Macron for a short while, and the next day I received message from Beijing saying, what is your motivation to meet with President Macron now? Just 6 days before President Xi Jinping was coming to France and Serbia and Hungary. So this is the kind of back channels we have, but it's not worth mentioning. Even if we do manage to build some more contact with the Chinese, if you look at what Xi Jinping is doing to the Tibetans, to the Uyghurs, to the Mongols, to Hong Kongers, and to Chinese pro-democracy.
But has there been any progress whatsoever?
No.
But you're going to continue.
I have no expectation.
Is there any alternative to trying to reopen the dialogue with China? Is there any alternative?